Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about how I baked my way through the pandemic. Yes, you heard me right. I baked my way through. Baking was a form of coping for me. In this video you'll see my grandmother's recipe. She's 82 years old and her cookbook was from like the 1900s. So enjoy this video. You'll see bits and pieces of her teaching me how to make her famous chocolate chip cookies, and then me doing it on my own. Enjoy. I actually cut my grandmother's recipe in half because her batch was like super big. So I wanted to make a smaller batch. My batch made 24 cookies. These are my ingredients. You start by mixing all your dry ingredients together. So your flour, your baking soda, and salt. And then you prepare your wet ingredients. So your brown sugar, regular sugar, butter, egg, shortening, and vanilla extract. You combine your ingredients, and then halfway through you mix in your flour, your dry ingredients, and you want to fold that in because the dough becomes a little thick, so it's hard to mix it. So you want to fold it in, and then you'll begin to fold in the chocolate chips. So you want to use about, that's a 10-ounce bag, so I used about 6 ounces of dark chocolate chips, Nestle Toll House, and you just fold them in. You don't want to over mix your dough. You just want to fold it in until all the chocolate chips are nice and situated. The last step is rolling your dough into nice little 1-inch balls, placing them about an inch apart. My baking pan fitted 12 on a pan, and you want to bake them for 7 to 9 minutes. So my oven, it takes 7 minutes for them to come out perfect. And once you take them out, you're going to, this is very important, you're going to let them bake outside of the oven on the pan for 3 minutes. So leave them on the pan for 3 minutes and then transfer them to a baking sheet. And that, my friends, are my grandmother's famous chocolate chip cookies. I hope you've enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.